another example, another example, another example. Oh, okay, so we've taken this. Let's take the next one. 2i 5 minus 2. So we have C. Vector A is 2 5 minus 2. I'm writing them in column form, so you can also write in column form. Vector B is 1 4 11. B equals to 1 4 11. So let's follow our step 1 again. Compute A dot B. So A dot B equals to 2 5 minus 2 dot 1 4 11, and that will be 2 times 1 plus 5 times 4 plus minus 2 times 11, and that will be 2 plus 20 minus 22. So that is 22 minus 22, which is equals to 0. So what do you notice here? So without going further, without going forward, even if we compute the magnitude, we're still going to be obtaining zeros, right? Okay. So we now says jump to step 3. When you compute the dot product and the answer is 0, so just go to step 3 straight. Cos theta equals to A dot B all over magnitude of A, magnitude of B, which is 0 divided by magnitude of A, magnitude of B, which is equals to 0. So cos theta equals to 0. So theta equals to cos inverse of 0, and cos inverse of 0 is what? Cos inverse of 0 is 90 degrees, right? 90 degrees. So the angle between them is 90 degrees. So you can see how you can skip step when you have a 0 or the other one, which is 1. Okay, so 90 degrees. The answer is 90 degrees. And E, 2 1 minus 1. So we have E, A equals to 2 1 minus 1, and B equals to 1 minus 2 1. So let's check. 1 minus 2 1. Okay. Alright, so follow our step. Compute A dot B, which is 2 1 minus 1 dot 1 minus 2 1. Okay, and that will be 2 minus 2 minus 1, which is minus 1. Okay, A dot B again is minus 1. That's a special angle, but let's just continue. Magnitude of A will be square root of 2 square plus 1 square plus minus 1 square, which is square root of 4 plus 1 plus 1, which is square root of 6. Magnitude of B equals to square root of 1 minus 2 square plus 1 square, which is square root of 6. Okay, and cos theta equals to A dot B all over magnitude of A, magnitude of B, which is minus 1 over root 6 multiplied by root 6. Okay, so this one, which is minus 1 over 6. Okay, so root 6 times root 6 is minus 1 over 6. So we have that cos theta equals to minus 1 over 6. So theta equals to cos inverse of minus 1 over 6. So if we take the cos inverse of minus 1 over 6, we have that the answer is theta equals to 99.59 degree. Okay, so this is an obtuse angle. It's greater than 90 degrees. So it's an obtuse angle, and that is why the cosine is negative. Okay, so the answer the cosine is negative, so the answer is that, and if we approximate, we're going to get a 100 degree. So this is the answer for that. Okay, and then you can take the acute angle of this answer. Where will it be positive? The answer is negative, so the answer can be either in the second quadrant. So for second quadrant, theta equals to 99.59 degree, and in the third quadrant, where theta is also negative, in the third quadrant, so this answer is in the second quadrant. What is this answer? 180 minus 99. Okay, 9.59. What is cos 9.59? 2.98. 1 divided by 6. Okay, 180 minus 99.59, which is 80.41. 80.41. So we have a 180 plus 80.41. That will be that. What is cos answer? That will be that. So second quadrant, we have 180 minus 9.4 9.59. 9.59. So theta equals to 80.41 degree. So what we basically do here is we do 99.59 minus 90, and then we have 9.59 to get the acute angle representation. So we now do theta equals to that. Okay, so the two possible values of theta are 80.41 degree, sorry, what am I saying? 80.41 degree. Okay, yep. So let me rework it again so it will be clear to you. So in the second quadrant, let's get the acute angle. 180 minus 99.59 degree, that would be 80.41 degree, and then theta equal to 180 plus 80.41 degree, and that would be 260.41 degree. Okay, in the second quadrant. Or we can compute it this way. We can say theta equals to 270. The total angle in the third quadrant is 270. So 270 minus 99.59 equals the same thing now. Alright, is it true? Oh, no. Nope. So what we can do is 270 minus 9.59 degree, and that will give us 260.41 degree. Okay, so how did we get this one here? So you just do 99.59 degree minus 90.00 degree, and then we have 9.59 to get the angle, and then we subtract that angle from 70 to get the answer. So these are the two ways you can compute the angle, the second angle in the third quadrant where cosine is negative. Okay, so these are the answers, the examples we'll be able to take. So you do the other one as classwork. Okay, example 2, find the angle between each of the following vectors. So let's find the angle. Let's take A and D. So we have another classwork here. So you have 5 classworks now. So 3 minus 1, 4 is 0, 0, 4. So we have A. Vector A is 3 minus 1, 4. and then B is 0, 0, 4. Okay, so let's find A dot B. So A dot B will be 3 times 0 plus minus 1 times 0 plus 4 times 4. That will be 0 plus 0 plus 16, which is 16. So calculate magnitude of A, which will be square root of 3 squared plus minus 1 squared plus 4 squared. That would be square root of 9 plus 1 plus 16. So square root of 26. Okay. Calculate again the magnitude of B. So magnitude of B, that would be square root of 0 squared plus 0 squared plus 4 squared. Okay. So square root of 16, which is equals to 4. So therefore our cos theta equals to A dot B all over magnitude of A, magnitude of B, and that will be A dot B, which is 16 all over 4 multiplied by square root of 26, 4 here, 4 here, that is 4, which is 4 all over square root of 26. Okay, so cos theta equals to, what is 4 divided by square root of 26? So that's 0.7845. So that theta equals to cos inverse of 0.7845. So cos inverse of the answer, we have shift cos inverse of 0.7845. The answer is 38.33. So the theta equals to 38.33 degree. So this is the answer for this one. And then